All right, telling people that we're going live.
It's going live. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go.
Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Everyone's heart's pumping here. We're all anxious. We're all excited. It's a big moment today. We're calling the potential winner. I'm like all... My heart's like pumping. My heart's pumping. I'm super excited. This is gonna be amazing. So we'll let people jump on here. Give it a couple of minutes. And then, yeah, we're gonna be announcing. It's the big day. It's the big day. You guys excited or what? Come to Texas. Let's go. Hey, what state do you guys want to go to? Colorado? Everybody wants to stay in Colorado. We haven't had a Colorado winner yet. So it's been, 11 giveaways now, and we still haven't had a Colorado winner. So I guess we'll see where today takes us.
Just walk through it, just go right at it, start wiring things. We're just gonna give a few minutes to let some more people join, and we're excited, guys. We just got the name literally back this morning. And the winner doesn't know.
Say what's up to Instagram.
What's going on Instagram? So I got the Facebook account right here, and we're just kind of
You guys excited? You guys heart pumping yet? We got 1,000 people on here. I think we're almost ready to start. Give it maybe another minute or so, and then we'll jump on it. Guys, I am just super excited. My whole, I feel like jittery. I also had 4 cups of coffee today. That could be that, but it's also every time we do announcement, my heart just starts pumping. I'm excited. Pretty much excited. I think that's... feeling anxious feels like excited as well. So
what's your favorite giveaway
let's see.
that we've done so far? Alpha. I love that any level. I'm a big Ford guy. That was sweet. That thing was wild. It was one of our first giveaways that we actually did. Alpha. That thing was wild. What's up?
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? What's up? What's up to Facebook?
These are our people over here.
So everyone thought we pulled everyone over here to get back our value. Gotta keep them on the toes a little bit. All right, what do you think? Where are we at? 3 minutes in?
Yeah, I think we can probably start.
All right, let's get straight to business, guys. We're not gonna wait.
All right, we'll pass the phone on.
Here you go. Let me locate it and flip it around.
Dude, can you believe it? Can you believe it? We're about to announce the potential winner.
Oh my goodness, that's exciting.
Woo!
11th time we've got an 11th winner for this sick setup, you guys. And I just want to start off with this by saying thank you to everyone who's entered, who's been supporting us, from all the entries. The most coolest part of what I love when we did this giveaway, we were donating to Freedom Service Dogs. And this giveaway, we've raised over $25,000 for them.
That's just incredible, guys. You guys that our community, you guys that support us, we all came together and we're able to raise a little over $25,000. That's huge.
That's awesome.
That is huge. That's the biggest so far we've
That's just about the biggest one, yeah. And
thank you guys.
Yeah, well, thank you guys. And we'll be doing another vlog. We'll deliver them the check and get their reaction. So thank you. That's incredible.
It is. And everyone's right now, I'm dude, just tell me the name.
Okay, well, let me just start off with, if you're new here, I'll just go through the process. This giveaway ended last Friday. We submitted all the entries to the sweepstakes agency. The entries were submitted. They went through their random drawing process, and they just sent us the name back this morning. So we get the name back. Nobody knows who the winner is until right now. So, yeah.
So it's not right now it's going to be a potential winner, and that's important because to call a potential winner, because the potential winner still has to complete all the paperwork, get him signed, and then he will be declared as the official winner. So when we say potential winner, that's why. Out of past 10 giveaways, everyone.
It's for us to be the first point of contact, we have to say potential, but the person just has to be over 18 and a legal resident, so we've never had an issue. But we'll just throw out the potential. Most of us can assume he's going to be the winner. So
Yeah. What else are we missing?
that's about it, I think. What else? Let's just. All right, so what we'll do is, without further ado, so David's about to read off the name. We'll say who the name is, what they've ordered, and we'll give them a call on this live, and possibly show you the next giveaway truck if you haven't seen it. That's live now.
So this person, it's from a new state. Okay, we haven't had the state before. This person has placed 2 orders with us. One in 2021.
Okay.
He bought a mystery box. An epic mystery box. And in this one, he entered, for the Spartan giveaway, he entered during our launch week and bought a rugged bundle for $140. And this $150,000 plus prize is going to be going to this person.
That's awesome.
For $140. I mean, return on investment.
I'm speechless. All right, well, what's the state? Let's hear the state.
Okay, this state is Louisiana.
Louisiana, let's go.
The city is New Iberia. And the name of this potential winner, you guys ready? You guys ready? Let's go! You're about to get a call, and if you're not watching, I hope you pick up the phone because.
Oh boy! Congratulations, Sean Bowling from Louisiana. Louisiana, first time. Let's everyone congratulate him. You too. That's incredible. That's incredible, man.
For sure.
Woo! Thank you guys.
Okay.
Let's give him a call.
We're gonna do this.
I think we've only had maybe like a couple people that were on the live or actually picked up, so we don't know if he's gonna pick up.
All right, guys, we gotta be silent.
FaceTime. Who picks up a FaceTime either, anyways? So from an unknown number, here, just pick up this FaceTime real quick.
So far, we had a couple people that picked up on the live. Sean.
Okay, FaceTime unavailable. Just give him a call. Or you want to try another FaceTime?
Let's try another FaceTime. Just. Gotta try it again. I mean, last time, TRX winner Yangshi picked up. That was awesome.
He picked up. That was
Oh,
awesome.
now he canceled it. So okay.
He silenced his notification. Oh, you silenced your notification. Never mind.
Okay, what am I doing? Okay, focus here, David. I need to.
Just call him normally. Just call him normally. Maybe he won't even pick up a FaceTime.
Maybe.
So Louisiana, it's 5 o'clock here, so 7 o'clock there.
Oh. Hello, is this Sean Bowling?
Hey, Sean.
Hey, brother.
Hey, Sean. This is Nick and Dave. What was that?
I recognize your voices.
Hey, man. Yeah, man. We're just over here. We want to give you a quick call on this Friday afternoon. How's your Friday going?
It sounds like it's going to get better.
You know, that sounds about right.
I ignored the FaceTime video and I didn't know the number.
Okay, we gotta jump on the FaceTime. I gotta see your reaction.
Okay.
Let's do it. He recognized our voices. That's awesome.
With FaceTime.
I was trying to play it low key. Like I was just trying to be low key, you know, like.
Hello.
What up, Sean?
What is going on?
Hey, what are you wearing right there? Is that an Enrforce shirt?
It is.
Did you just go change real quick?
Yeah.
Well, hey, brother, we've got.
Look, I
Yes, sir.
You know, you're looking really good. That outfit really good, fits you.
Yeah, dude. Do you have any idea why we might be calling you?
I'm hoping not.
Did he place an order?
He did.
He did?
You placed an order.
I've placed lots of orders.
You placed an order during
Oh my god.
that setup, right?
Yeah,
So you know what this is about, right?
I do.
Sean, you are the potential winner of this setup.
Yeah. So he was like, potential. What does that mean? All right. So it means we have to verify you're over 18 and a legal resident of United States,
Okay.
and you're going to have to submit some paperwork to verify that.
Okay.
If you can do that, you're the winner.
Okay.
You can record.
Oh, that is so awesome, dude.
Oh my god.
So what do you?
Look, hey. Okay, so what do y'all need me to do? I'm shaking right now. Oh my gosh.
Dude.
We're just calling you to tell you the good news.
Yeah, brother.
This is it for now.
Yeah, this is it. So we'll call you right after this phone call, and we'll chat with you, get you going, and get you out here in Colorado to pick up the truck and the trailer, brother.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, it's, you might have that. You might have this for the next few days, you know. So, yep.
I gotta go to work tomorrow. I ain't gonna be able to sleep.
How you feeling?
Awesome. Oh my god. That this changes my life. You have no idea. Oh my god.
Oh, brother.
Dude, congratulations, bro.
Let's go,
Congratulations. We'll talk to you real soon, brother.
All right. Thank y'all.
Alrighty, bye. Well, okay, we'll get in front of the setup. Come on, Nick.
I'll finish. Okay. Guys, that was the delivery for. I'm sorry, that was not the delivery. That was just the announcement. We'll do the delivery later. But thank y'all for joining.
We're on the live right now.
That was absolutely incredible. You guys, we love your support. Thank you. Our next giveaway is live today. It starts right now. Our shortest giveaway we've ever done. You guys have been asking, what are we doing with the other car, the Raptor? Well, we did a little something extra, and now it's your chance to win it. And our shortest giveaway we've ever done. So, woo! Let's go!
Raptor! Let's go! Thank you.
Later.